Hello and welcome to the English Magnet. Today's video, negative past simple made easy. The past simple can be complicated, but the negative form is actually pretty straightforward. We're going to clarify all this right now. By the way, a link to some free material to practice by yourselves can be found in the description below. All right, let's jump right into it. Okay, let's kick things off with the classic did not. When you want to say something that didn't happen in the past, this is your go-to phrase. Please remember that after did not, you need to add the base form of your main verb. So instead of saying, I visited the museum, you'd say, I did not visit the museum. All subject pronouns use the same form. Simple, right? But what about the verb to be? That's the only case when you don't use did not. So if you want to throw a negative spin, it's as easy as adding not after was or were. For example, I was not at the party, or they were not on vacation. See, was not and were not are correct, while did not be is never right. Go ahead if you want to use contractions. Feel free to switch did not with didn't, was not with wasn't, and were not with weren't. So instead of sounding all formal, you can casually say, I didn't visit the museum, or I wasn't at the party. Efficient and stylish. English at its best. Good news! When it comes to negatives, there are no irregulars crashing the party. Regular verbs and irregular verbs play by the same rules in the negative past simple. So, I didn't jump is as straightforward as I didn't sleep. No surprises, just consistency. Time to address a common misunderstanding. Avoid adding ed to your main verb after did not. Here's the thing. Didn't already marks the past tense, so no need to add ed to the verb following it. Say, I didn't play, not I didn't played. A good way to master this is to remember the negative past tense of to do, which is didn't do, and not didn't did. The following verbs are all correct. Look at the main verbs and how none of them is using ed or an irregular form. I didn't know. You did not look. She didn't buy. He did not walk. We didn't meet. They did not finish. So there you have it. Start with did not or didn't and the base form. If you're using to be, just go with was not or were not. Be sure to watch more of our videos. Hopefully, this has been helpful. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Until next time.